I'm Velda from Josh 97.8 and I'm on a mission. We are in week 2 for finding that one person who definitely needs a change not only in her looks but a change in her attitude. So after getting all those entries and scanning through all the registrations that we received, App picked one girl with an interesting story to tell. App picked Nirali. Now the funny thing about Nirali's registration is that she herself didn't register for this. It was her cousin Sonal who registered Nirali for Mission Makeover.
I'm Sonal and I'm from Bombay. I was listening to Velda and I said, let me take a chance and send the message to Velda and see if it works for my friend, because I've been trying to tell Nirali to be a little more girly. She's been a tomboy for 30 years now, so I've been really trying hard. So took a chance and well, here we are. Lucky that we got through this, and thanks to Josh that Nirali is getting a makeover today.
My name is Nirali. I was born and raised here, working with a company called Trailblazers. We basically market and execute environment-based and education-based camps for children in schools. I have actually been a tomboy ever since I was born. Ever since I was little. Never worn girly clothes other than weddings, which I was forced to. But if I had an option, believe me, I would go with the regular kurta pajama.
Hey Nirali, welcome to Mission Makeover.
Thank you.
And before we continue, I've heard a little scoop about you.
I hope something's good.
I'm the scoop specialist, right?
Yeah, I do.
So I've got to know that घर पे इन्हें निराली नहीं कहते हैं. She is called Lali. What's up, Lali?
Hi, Velda.
So are you set for Mission Makeover?
I am.
So Sonal, you mentioned that her mom has tried.
Yes.
Her friends have tried.
Yes.
Cousins have tried to get her into an as feminine outfit as we can get.
Yes.
Lekin koi succeed.
No one did.
Until today, thanks to you. And that's why we're here. We're on Mission Makeover. So I'm going to make sure that she gets into a nice, lovely, sweet, lady-looking dress. I love this expression. But for that, I need help, and I take help from the experts only. Right now, we are at Chewing Gum, one of Dubai's trendiest labels, and for that, I have Harshita and Anjali. Hi girls.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good. Welcome to Mission Makeover again.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Looking gorgeous. I'm sure these are chewing gum outfits themselves.
They are.
So we have Nirali. Hi Nirali.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nirali. Nice to meet you.
So now the deal with Nirali is such that she has never ever worn a dress or a skirt in the past 25 to 30 years.
Oh my god.
Wow.
But that's exactly what we're going to give her.
Yeah.
So how do we do that? I'm leaving Nirali in your hands now.
So Nirali, are you looking forward to wearing a dress?
I'm a little scared, but yeah, excited to.
No, it'll
You'll
be
be fine,
fabulous.
don't worry.
I
Yeah.
hope so. I hope so.
Do you want to run through some of our stuff and see what is interesting to you?
I honestly have no idea, so I guess you guys can just pick out something for me. That'll be better.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Get her something to think.
So we actually had this in mind for you, Harsha and me.
Okay,
It's
so
long, which is good.
Yes, it's long, but it's actually kind of a high-low kind of a dress, which is a little interesting. It'll give you a little bit more height. It'll kind of give you a much slimmer and shrink you in a little bit, which is, I'm assuming, what
absolutely.
everyone wants.
Everyone
wants.
Absolutely.
Hi.
Nirali.
Hi, Nirali. Reshu, welcome to the art.
Thank you.
Hi, Reshu. How are you?
So this is Nirali, and she's the one who is very excited about her makeover. In fact, she is very particular about her hair. She definitely wants something absolutely amazing. So I brought her to the right place.
How are you doing, Nirali?
Good, Rishi. How are you?
So very good. So lovely to have you here.
Thank you.
So since we're giving you a fabulous makeover today, I would like to know what kind of look you have in mind so that it will help me decide to give you your particular look that you might want to have.
Right. Honestly, I have nothing in mind. I'm very particular about my hair only because it's been looking like this for years now. But now I want something different.
So what we're going to do with you today is, before we do your haircut and give your hair makeover, we'll do your root touch-up. Because I can see there are a lot of grey strands, so it's better to be covered before a makeover.
Right.
And then we'll start with your haircut and your makeup and everything.
Sure.
We finally got Nirali into a dress. We gave her some really cool makeup, and for the first time in 30 years, presenting Nirali looking ladylike. Open your eyes.
Oh my god! Okay, that is not me. Wow.
Yeah, that's
Oh my god, wow.
the lady.
So Nirali, did you like your look today?
I did. It's really something different in the past 30 years I've ever seen.
I must say you're looking stunning. I
Thank
love
you.
the dress,
Thank
and
you,
we've
Rishi.
given you a look according to something which is completely different that
Right.
you've not done. I know you've not worn the makeup before.
Never.
For that, we've given you the red lipstick. I've given you hairs to give a lot of volume to your
Right.
hair. We've colored your hair, and you're looking fantastic.
Thank
with
you,
a bit
Rishi.
of smoky eyes and red lips.
Thank you. Thank you, Velda. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you, Hashita. Thank you, Chewing Gum. Thank you, Reshu. Thank you, artist. You guys have done a fabulous
Who
job.
got Jason?
Thank you, Jason. Thank
And
you,
Al.
Al. It wouldn't have obviously been possible without you guys.
I think we need one more thing. She's forgotten the person who registered her for Mission Makeover. Sonal.
Thank you,
She's
Sonal.
hiding. Sonal is hiding because Sonal is scared. Are you going to kill Sonal?
No, I won't kill Sonal.
What do you think
Thank
about the
you.
makeover?
I think she looks great. Finally, I could see her, now. I did not expect this. Really, that's great. Thank you so much, Velda. Thank you.
So we've heard it from the horse's mouth. Nirali is feeling gorgeous and glamorous like she's never felt before in the past 30 years. You know the different story? Text me on 6363. I'm waiting for your message. So until the next makeover, stay tuned.